Aloha everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard.
And this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
Take a look at what we did for this week's video.
And also, Alexa, turn on the bedroom.
Well, let me begin by apologizing to our regular viewers. It's been a couple of weeks since we've been posted. Poor man has been, let's say, a little bit under the weather. I'm doing much better now, and so we're excited to get back into this and produce more video content. We're going to show you how we did this. We've done this in the past, and in essence, it's installing flooring on the walls to make a wonderful accent wall in our bedroom.
And if you enjoyed watching what we've done here, please hit the subscribe button below and leave a comment.
With that, let's take a look at how we did this.
We've done this before. We wanted to do something different, so we cut the boards at a 45-degree angle.
If you decide to do this yourself, we recommend that you get thin boards. In this particular case, we use 7mm boards. The reason for this is very simple. It's less weight for the wall to hold up.
We chose two different colors from the same company to make sure that the tongue and grooves fit. And the design we came up with made our wall look beautiful.
Okay, just to show you that we're doing something a little bit different. Normally these boards on each end has a little lip on it, a tongue and groove that locks into the other board. What we found is putting this on the wall, and since we're doing it unusual in a 45-degree angle, getting those things to lock in, pound it while pulling it down on the wall was just too much of a nightmare. But since we're using adhesive and gluing it to the wall anyways, we figured we really didn't need those to lock together. The glue itself is going to hold it in place, and we're also using some brad nails just to secure it a little bit more. So that's why these things are perfectly cut off instead of using the locking device. Here's the last piece.
Now to get started on the crown molding.
Because we're installing LED rope lights, I needed to cut a groove so that I can lay the rope within the crown molding.
We placed the chalk line on the wall to have a guide to put up the crown molding. We used frog tape on the ceiling to paint the wall.
And now it's time to paint.
We only painted one side of the boards because the rest would be hidden by the crown molding.
Okay, now what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be installing crown molding, but we're going to be installing LED lights as we have done in the past. Well, we're going to try something a little bit different this time here. This time we're taking this 1x2 and we're going to be covering it first with a 3M reflective tape. The idea is that we're going to place the LED lights on top of this, and it should reflect a little bit more lights and give more lights. We're also painted the tops of the walls here white so that it would also give it more light from the LED lights, so that it's not just decorative, but it actually serves to lighten up the room itself.
We're using crown molding blocks to make it look beautiful, and it's much easier to install the crown molding. We use matching quarter round for the final touches. This project was really easy, and you can accomplish it in less than a day.
As for next week, we're not sure exactly which project we're going to show you, so we're going to keep that classified for now. But we look forward to seeing you once again. So until then, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.